Hey guys, so today I'm checking out the TemPolor Melo-D AI guitar. This helps to actively teach and guide you how to play and create music with ease. So let's open up the box and see how it works. Some instructions here, paperwork. Some accessories in this box here. They get some more paperwork here. There's a USB-C charging cable. And it comes with this nice strap as well, guitar strap. And then itself comes in this nice carrying case as well. All right, and here's the device itself. And so yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. The first thing that you'll notice is the design is super unique. Instead of traditional frets, the entire thing is lined with LED finger guides that light up and show you where to place your fingers. You just follow the lights, and you're playing music like you never thought you would. It features a touchscreen on the front that you can extend out easily to see, and then you can go through the menu and find a ton of features like switching between beginner mode, which uses a simplified 7-key layout, and a full 21 chord mode when you're ready to level up. And one of the coolest parts is that you can upload any song that you like, and the guitar will instantly analyze it, and it will pull out a melody, arrange it for your hands, and it syncs it to the LED guides. The guitar does the heavy lifting and hands you a playable version. You can even hum into the microphone, and the AI turns your humming into a full guitar solo. It's a really awesome feature that's like having a composer living inside of your instrument. Then there's AI Jam. You just choose a tone, a genre, and a vibe, and then hit generate. The guitar creates a brand new piece of music for you to play along with without looping or presets. The guitar also folds, so you can throw it in a backpack or a carry-on. It also has built-in speakers, so you don't need an amp to practice. The battery lasts long enough for full sessions, and because the touchscreen handles everything, you don't need a phone or a laptop to use the core features. But you can also use the companion app to find a ton more features like tones, AI tools, and song management. So this isn't just a gadget pretending to be a guitar, it's a real instrument designed by people who understand how frustrating learning can be, especially for those with arthritis or carpal tunnel. So if you've ever wanted to play guitar but felt overwhelmed, or a musician looking for a tool that reacts to you in real time, then you definitely need to check out the TemPolor Melo-D AI guitar today, which you can find out more about in the link in the description below. See you guys on the next one.